riding the sled backwards.
He seems happy. It's slowing.
A little bit. Yeah. Hi, Kaylin. So what kind of beer were you drinking in the snow anyway?
Wow.
Some winter ale. Whoa. Deep snow.
Yeah, actually, even where you guys packed down the track and I'm walking, that's deep.
I know.
Rock.
Yeah, well, don't hit the boulder right there.
Whoa. Hi, Kaylin feet.
Hey, John, you gonna say ma some more? Kaylin and I, we went down to see the rotating snow globe, giant snow globe.
Oh, yeah?
With Viceroy mushing. Although, he could be a snow dog, but he needs to get more fur. And he couldn't be the lead dog. He's definitely a follower. Because as long as I was running ahead of him, he'd pretty much stay focused. But if he took the lead, oh, what's that? I want to smell that. Hey, Kaylin. You ready for a ride yet? You getting cold?
No.
You're not?
No.
Heck no, she's a kid in the snow. What are you talking about?
She's on an ice position.
Oh, man. My hood is leaking.
Okay, here we go, Jonah. Up. That means go.
Mush. Say mush. Mush.
Ma. Thank you for your vocalization. All right, turning off the camera.